friends, welcome to Lima, Peru. Today we are gonna take a short walk from the Plaza San Martin to the Plaza Mayor, the Lima's main square, just to show you the historic city center of Lima. We will begin our walk at Plaza San Martin, one of Lima's most elegant public spaces. It was built in the early 20th century, and this square reflects a moment when Peru looked toward Europe for inspiration, grand facades, symmetry, and quiet dignity amid the city's constant motion. From here, we follow Jirón de la Unión, which is a historic artery that has connected Lima's past and present for centuries. It was once reserved for aristocrats and merchants. Today it pulses with everyday life, street vendors, local voices, and the rhythm of a capital that never truly slows down. As we move forward, take a note of colonial balconies that line the street, wooden, enclosed, and ornate. These balconies once allowed Lima's elite to observe the city without being seen. A remainder of the layered social history embedded in these walls. And now we are approaching the main square, the Plaza de Armas, also referred to as Plaza Mayor. Here is the cathedral. Right next to the cathedral is the Archbishop's palace. And that's the Archbishop Palace. And here is the Presidential Palace. I visited in December. So we're gonna see a lot of Christmas decorations. Lima was founded in 1535 by the conquistador Francisco Pizarro, who overthrew the Inca Empire. This square remains the political and symbolic heart of Peru, surrounded by the government palace, the Cathedral of Lima, and centuries of power, faith, and conflict. I really enjoyed these Christmas decorations, and it was Sunday, so there were festivities going on throughout downtown. The purpose of my video was not to give you a comprehensive tour of the city, but rather to show you how the historic city center looked like. Before I visited, I was looking for such video, and I really couldn't find. There were long videos showing walks through the city, but a short video to the point that shows you the historic city center, I couldn't find one, so I made one. I hope you are enjoying video, and I will be making content showing you other places from Peru. I already posted several videos depicting Cusco and some of the archaeological sites. Here is the Archbishop Palace, and this concludes our visit to the historic center of Lima. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe.